Hello and welcome to the Learning Roots. Learn new art daily and with hot ideas. So these are some seascapes you are watching here. These are some references of seascapes, drawings and paintings. So the today's tutorial is all about seascape drawing, how we create a really easy seascapes. In this video you will see. So let's get started. Now okay, so we will start here. We're just starting a horizon line first. I'm just drawing my horizon line on the top, and in this case the surface is water, so the water area will be the bigger than the sky, and where the point the sky and the surface are meeting, that's our horizon line. So some little clouds I am going to draw there because they are closer to horizon line, and vessel and the clouds will go over and over, the size will increase. Or in the horizon line I am just going to draw some small waves there nearby the horizon line, and the waves will come closer to us. They will be uh, big in size, as you can see. Yes, and at the corner I'll take some liberty to draw some sand or rock or cliffs area, and whenever you see the horizon line coming inside the object, you just erase it and draw your objects and scenes there. And some cliffs or small rocks also I am going to draw. Some little grass there because they are very farthest away. Some little coconut tree because they are also very close to the horizon line and farthest from us. So here on that foreground I'm just marking my sand area because it's a seascape, so we have to make sure that we have to take some elements where what we see around the sea areas. We see coconut trees, some cliffs, rocks, sand, some boats, grass, etc. And after that I'll just draw some big grass there. It can be or it cannot be, it's up to you. And as on the horizon line I have drawn some big clouds over there. Now I'll take my middle ground area. On that horizon line I just draw a very small sailboat there because it's there on the horizon line, and horizon line is very far from us, so the sailboat is very small in size. Now I am drawing my middle ground area as I am drawing a big size boat. So this is our middle ground area, you can see, and the boat size is pretty much bigger than the sailboat I have drawn on the horizon line. And just try to cross the horizon line when we are drawing the middle ground or the foreground. Don't do the mistake to keep your things below the horizon line when you are drawing your middle ground or foreground. Just take a liberty to draw anything bigger when it's coming closer to us. So some more grass and cliffs. Now you can see almost the drawing is done, and this is our horizon line, the smallest things around the horizon line, the middle ground and the foreground area. Now after this I'll quickly show you how to color this picture. Please subscribe our channel. Feel free to comment. Bye.